Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to set up Life360 emergency contacts. So setting up emergency contacts in Life360 ensures that designated people outside your immediate circle are notified during an SOS alert or if a crash is detected. These contacts must be added to each circle individually. So to do that, what you can do is open your Life360 app and then tap on the safety tab at the bottom of your screen. Now select emergency contacts. Now tap on Invite First Contact. Now once you do that, tap Select from Contacts to choose from your phone book or add manually. Now once you do that, tap Allow Access to choose from your phone book or add manually to enter a name and phone number. Now if you have multiple numbers for a contact, select the correct one and send the invitation. The recipient must tap the link in the message to accept your invitation. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.